Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write request letter for experience certificate. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. This particular format can also be used to send as email to your manager or HR. It's just that the subject of this particular letter needs to be mentioned in the subject column of the email and the body will remain as such. 2. The manager. In the next line, write the company name. In the next line, write the company address. Next, write the subject of your request letter. Here, for example, I am writing subject request for experience certificate. Dear Sir or Madam, with due respect, this is to inform you that my name is here, write your name. And I have worked, mention the number of years you have worked with the company. As, then write the designation you hold in that company. In your reputed organization. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time working here and have gained invaluable experience. And skills that have contributed significantly to my professional growth. support my career progression and future opportunities. I require an experience certificate that outlines my roles, responsibilities, and duration of employment with write the name of the company. I kindly request your assistance in preparing and providing this document at your earliest convenience. If there are any specific procedures or forms that need to be completed, please inform me. So that I can fulfill the requirements promptly. I appreciate the opportunities and support I have received during my time at Write the Name of the Company. And look forward to your positive response. In the next line, write warm regards. In the next line, write your name.